What do you got next? Migration of 1,000 strong herd of sheep captured in epic drone footage. I knew you're going to bring some epic. Oh my God.
Look at that.
Wow.
That's so cool.
Wait a second. Wait a minute here.
Yeah.
Wait a second here.
Yeah.
How did they, when they were funneling them through those gates? Wow.
Is there
I love this
a
clip.
ringleader?
This is a fantastic clip. You've absolutely knocked it out of the park here.
Yeah. It's a drone pilot, a photographer, Lior Patel from Israel. Works as a full-time commercial photographer and decided to focus on the farmyard animal for his latest project.
I absolutely love this here. They're so orderly. I guess this is where the thing comes from of, you're acting like a sheep, or you're a sheep.
Mm-hmm.
Look how orderly they are, kind of on their own accord.
Uh-huh.
It's quite amazing that they're somewhat cooperative, seemingly.
Yes.
I don't know how much they're being influenced by the environment. Like I said early in that video clip, the small little sections they had to cut through. But look at them waiting. There must have been a gate there.
Yeah.
Listen, either way, I'm all for this type of content. And it gives you a perspective that you're just, I mean, it's amazing that you have this regular everyday thing, which is the sheep, which are all over the place. Yet you never look at them from up here, and you never think of them as an entire kind of organism or unit. And they almost look like grains of rice from here.
Uh-huh. And this could be considered with like different types of organisms, like schools of fish.
Yeah. Ants and even us.
Cells.
Even us. Well,
yeah.
Even us.
It's a beautiful thing.
Wonderful content. You knocked it out of the park. You hit an absolute home run. And so far, so good. I think the people owe you something for that. Maybe a thumbs up or something.
Mm-hmm. Please.
Unless you're about to beat that with your next one.
We'll see. Okay, let's check out this one